coming from? Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. This is a requested recipe. Mango habanero chicken wings in my kitchen. Fast, easy and simple. Madness today. Come on, let's get started. Have about 15 chicken wings right there. Make sure your chicken wings have no feathers on it. We don't need feathers for our wings, them, you know? No, sir. Take them off. Wash it with lemon juice and vinegar. Let it sit for about 15 minutes in that lemon juice and vinegar liquid and you're ready for roll. Let's talk about the other ingredients and all the things to make this thing a mad loud. I'm going to use my mango, of course, because this is mango habanero chicken wings, right? In my Jamaican kitchen. So you're going to need your mango, of course. If you have fresh mango, use it. If you have frozen mango, use that. Do not use the canned one because it will go softy. Right here I have some oats flour and cornmeal in that container. You are going to need butter, mustard, sugar, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Any one of them seasoning there, but that one right there is Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, salt and black pepper, ginger and garlic. And I'm definitely going to be using some wine for this recipe. So come on and let's get the ball on the road. Now let's move on to the very first step into making this mean mango madness chicken wings recipe. Fast, easy and simple. You're going to add black pepper and salt and a teaspoon of Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. With clean hands, you mix this in and set this aside. Now I have my oats flour and I have my cornmeal there. Now if you don't have oats flour, use cornstarch, but don't use all-purpose flour or any other kind of flour for this recipe. You are going to add some more of that seasoning salt to it, or chicken seasoning, and mix this together. Everything will come together as one. Now we're moving on to the next step. I have my flour and my oatmeal mixtures right there seasoned with the all-purpose seasoning. And you just want to put your chicken in there one at a time. You want to make sure that you get your chicken nicely coated.
I was born up in a system. There ain't no room for no mistakes. Trying to be amazing. I'm only human for today. See, I got no job, got no.
Now it's time to make the sauce for our chicken. Gonna add our cooking oil and our butter. Now I'm going to add my garlic and my ginger. I'm going to add some vinegar to that, sugar, wine, mustard, like, share. Make me know what you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next now. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.